Hello from Hollywood. I'm Martin Grove with Popcorn Previews Box Office Buzz.
Look at that.
Moviegoers won't be visiting Greenland anytime soon, as STX is moving its sci-fi thriller from 9/25 to the fourth quarter. Greenland hit tracking reports full strength and should make a major impact at theaters.
I'm just trying to get to safety.
They've been tracking the military flights to bunkers in Greenland.
It's our only chance.
Move back! Perimeter breach. Perimeter breach. Runway 33.
Allison! Nathan!
By moving, Greenland can open in more theaters, and exhibitors will gain from having a picture that moviegoers clearly want to see.
John, go!
Hang on, Nathan.
Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately.
In Hollywood, I'm Martin Grove for Popcorn Previews Box Office Buzz.